Hey everyone, Proctor here. So we went out and bought another one, so you guys are gonna love this. I don't know how Kai found it, but he did. It's a 2000 Volvo S70, and it's a manual. So it's quite a fun car to drive, and we're gonna take it out for a spin. And we're gonna cold start. It's been sitting for a few days, so hopefully it starts. I don't have to boost it. Had to boost it a while ago, because it was sitting for 3 months. There it is. And as well, we bought a BMW 750 Li or IL or whatever it is, so we're gonna test that one out tomorrow. So let's go for a drive in the Volvo. Or maybe just a cold start video, we'll see. I'm lazy today. Okay, just get my keys here. We got keys. Let's go and open up the bugger. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cold today. Okay, let's start the Volvo. It should start. It doesn't really have any issues. Okay. It even has that typical Volkswagen smell in here, even though it's a Volvo, it's weird. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it starts right up. Sick. Awesome. Let's put our seatbelts on for safety, and we'll take it out for a drive. It's got some miles on it, but it just did pass the emission too. I was surprised. Okay. That's really cold. Heated seats on. I think it needs a drive shaft. I can hear a little bit of clicks sometimes. Okay, let's see how she goes. All my shit's rattling around in the trunk still. She's a cold one. Drives very good though, except for all my exhaust things in the trunk flying around. Very nice car though. So everyone, this is the Volvo.